Sometimes the world moves too fast, but nature reminds us to slow down, to breathe, and simply enjoy the moment. The sound of flowing water, the whisper of the wind through the trees. These simple moments bring peace that money can't buy. Every path in nature tells a story. A reminder that life isn't about rushing to the destination, but appreciating the journey. Rain doesn't ask for attention, yet its rhythm calms the soul. Nature heals quietly. Take a deep breath. Let go of stress. And remember, nature will always welcome you back.